guys, thanks for being here with me today. Hope you're all doing well. This first colour is Liquitex Gouache and it's fluorescent red. It's a gouache acrylic. And this is another gouache, again by Liquitex, although it looks a little bit blurred. It's fluorescent violet. And this is TLP, this little piggy in ore. Beautiful gold, my favourite gold. And that's the little pot. And this is Matisse, Quinacridone Magenta. I'll show you the bottle in a minute. It's Matisse fluid. Just going to get it. There we go. You only need a few drops for that one because it's so highly pigmented. And this is Sheleeart Bling It Violet Sparkle. Okay then guys, come back later.
Life is a winding road, no telling where it goes. Driving through days and nights, won't stop for traffic lights. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down. Jumping from cliffs so high, trusting our wings to fly. Sometimes we're crashing down, but we get up and start from the ground. And I really wanna know if I'll ever figure out where the road goes. Even if I'm falling down, I will keep on searching for my highs. You can say I lost my mind, I will keep on holding my head high. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down. Even if the sky is falling down, even if the sky is falling down, yeah. The sky is falling down.
I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights, even though they're so overdue. We had a fire, now we're watching it burn low. Isn't it time we go our separate ways? Not enough time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. Losing my pride, time, not enough time. I'm falling behind, I hate to separate my body and mind, my body and mind. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. It tastes like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, 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 demons pushing all my triggers. I'm acting surprised, but I know I'm not over you. Keep missing our fights. Think I'm losing my mind, but I guess that's what love do. You feel like demons in my mind, demons in my mind. It tastes like demons in my mind, demons pushing all my triggers, 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 demons pushing all my triggers.
Okay, I'm back. Right, those bold lines, you'll see right at the end what I did with them, and I regret it. I quite like the contrast between it when I look at the between the two different sides, looking at it now, but I fiddled and I spoilt it, I think. Tell me what you think. So please like, share and subscribe, and take care. Stay safe. See what I mean? I think I made a mistake. So take care, stay safe guys, I'll see you soon. Bye.